President Uhuru Kenyatta today held talks with South African Deputy President Cyril Ramaphosa. The two leaders said there was need for the two governments to boost trade, movement of goods and people of the two nations. Addressing the media after a closed-door meeting at President Kenyatta's villa in East London, South Africa, the two leaders said Africans have a common heritage which needs to be exploited for their benefit.
We have a lot to learn from a party that has held together for 106 years, been involved in the struggle to liberate South Africa and also Africa, and is now part and parcel of the transformation of South Africa as well as the continent. I also took time to congratulate my brother on his victory as the new ANC president, wishing him and his new team every success as they endeavor to move the ANC to the next stage.
Our level as the African National Congress, we were very pleased to begin the process of discussing the relations between our two respective parties, but as well as to discuss the relationship between our peoples, the people of Kenya and the people of South Africa, that we have a common heritage as Africans. And I reminded President Kenyatta that we, black people of South Africa, originated in Central Africa. And it's possible that a number of us also originated in Kenya. And maybe they sent us off to come to South Africa, to come and develop South Africa. So we have a common heritage as common people of Africa. And we agreed that what we now need to do is to develop that relationship, to develop it to a very high level, and make sure that the communication, the interlinkages between our peoples moves to a higher level of development.